Hey everyone, it's Jocelyn and welcome back to my channel.
I see you with your lipstick.
For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a Bath & Body Works package. I have it right here. It's actually quite heavy because it has candles inside. I've had this package sitting in my room for almost like 3 days, I think. So I'm finally gonna open it, and I decided I would open it on camera. I don't know what's in this box. My mom ordered everything. I do know it's candles, but I don't know which ones. So let's just get started. I have this. I don't have my mini scissors. I kind of lost them again, but I am gonna find them. So I just have this for now, and I'm gonna open the box. I don't think you guys can see this part, but I'm just opening it. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. The inside has like this little plaid pattern. Oh, it smells so good. So this is what the inside looks like. Like I said, it's kind of heavy, but it has like plaid, and it says something right there. It says, "We just want you to love it. Return anything, anytime, for any reason, 100% guaranteed." This is so cute, and it smells so good, probably because the candles. I'm gonna take this paper out. I'm pretty sure it's just her order. So I'm gonna take that out. You guys can see. And I guess I'll start with this one. I'll just choose randomly because I don't even know what's in here. So these are candles. Okay, I'm actually excited because I really like candles, and I don't know which one she chose. Here's the first one. They all come in these boxes. Oh, I didn't even see that. Sun Washed Citrus. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I love the packaging of this. It just looks really clean. Also, this is like really different for like what I normally upload, because I usually upload unboxings, but they're usually clothes or makeup related, and this is like candle related, so it is something really different, but I just thought it'd be like a fun video to film. I wish you guys could smell this. If you're wondering what it smells like kind of like lemons and oranges. That's what this smells like. But this is so cool. I love the design of it. Yeah, that's the first one. I think she ordered 4 of them. I'll do this one next. So here's the next one. Oh, I like this one. Kind of matches my room. See the color of this? That definitely matches my room. And this is Island Margarita. I'm gonna smell this. Oh my gosh. This one smells lemony. It's so hard to explain these to the camera because I don't really know how to explain how these smell. I'm not that good at explaining things like that. But if you guys have any of these candles, comment that down below. I actually really like this one, and it kind of matches my room. It's kind of more blue though, but this smells super good. I'm holding it up to you guys like you guys can smell it, but you can't. This candle's right here. I think I don't know. I smell something in this box, but I don't know what it is. Oh my gosh, this is like the pink version of the yellow one. This is so pretty. Okay, this is Market Peach. I love this one. Okay, actually, I think this is my least favorite scented, but this is my favorite packaging. It doesn't smell bad, it's just not as like amazing as the other ones. I think my favorite one so far is this one, like scent wise. It smells like, if you've ever tried those little candy peaches, this smells exactly like that. Here's the packaging. I love the packaging, and it just looks like this in the front. So yeah, that's this one. This is my favorite packaging, but I don't think it's my favorite scent, but it still does smell really good. It's just that I like the other one more. Oh, okay, next we have this. I don't know what she ordered, so I can't tell if anything's missing or not. She ordered 4 candles, and this is the last one. Oh, I was about to say, did she get the same one? No, this is not the same one. This one's green. The other one was more of like a blue color. You guys can see a blue-green. This one's green, but it does have like the same type of packaging in the front as the other one that we smelled. So it looks like she got like similar scented ones. This one, once again, not my favorite. They do smell good. I'm not saying that these smell bad. I'm just saying that the other ones, in my opinion, smelled better. But this still does smell good. It's Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. I didn't even show you guys the front, but the packaging on this one is super cute. It does smell good. I don't think it tops the scent of the yellow one, which is Sun Washed Citrus. That was that candle. Next up, we have these. Like I said, I can't tell if she's missing anything. I don't know if she ordered 3. What's in here? Another candle? Okay. I guess I'll do that first because I thought this was just like for extra space. But she ordered another candle. I really thought it was just for like extra space. Like a little box in the corner. There's watermelon lemonade. I have high hopes for this one because I love watermelon. So let's see. This smells just like watermelon. This one smells super good. I think this is definitely my top 3. It smells like when you cut open a watermelon, this is the scent that I would think of. Inside's red, unlike the other ones. Oh no, the other ones were colored, but yeah, this one's red. I showed you guys the front already. And it smells exactly like watermelon. That's like the only way I could describe this one. And then we got these. I'll go through them each. I have one of the wall things in my wall, and I needed some more of them. So I guess she ordered me some. So we have Clementine Sherbet. I told her I like orange scents because they keep spiders out of my room. I don't know if that's true, but I heard it on Google, so I believed it. So yeah, I like citrusy scents like orange, lemon. I want to smell this, but I don't know if I can. So this one, I'm gonna take the tag off. It's Clementine Sherbet. I'm gonna open it just so I could smell it, but maybe I won't be able to. I don't think I'm gonna be able to. Okay, let me take my ring off. I really can't open it. Well, this is a bummer. I can't open this, like, I just can't. I'm not strong enough. But this is what it looks like. I'm guessing it smells like oranges. I don't really know. I can't smell it. What was this one? I'll know when I like use it for my wall. But these are actually like really hard to open. I had a blue one last time and it was super hard to open. Cactus Blossom. I'm gonna try opening this one just to see if I can open it. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna try. It has like a little seal that you gotta peel off. And then you gotta open this. Let's see. I hope I can open this one. I can't open it. No, I can't. It's like really stuck on there. I can't even smell it through the container. So I'm guessing I'm not gonna be able to open any of these, but hopefully you guys know what they smell like. This is Cactus Blossom. And then the last one I think I'm most excited for is Paradise Coconut. I love the smell of coconut. So here's this one. I'm not even going to try opening it because I know I'm not going to be able to. These are usually really tightly sealed. I'm guessing it's because they're liquid inside of them. Actually, maybe I could open it. Here, I'm going to try one more time. Let me take off my ring first. Oh, I can't. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I can't open them. I've tried. I was thinking maybe since it's like an elastic, it would like help me open it, but it doesn't. But yeah, those are these 3. I'm guessing they smell really good. There's not many things in Bath & Body Works that don't smell good, so I'm guessing these are gonna smell good. Once again, this is Clementine Sherbet, Paradise Coconut. I think this one's gonna be my favorite. And Cactus Blossom. My favorite to least favorite would probably be favorite. Second favorite, I'm guessing, and third favorite, but I don't really know. I could be completely wrong since I can't smell them. For candles, my rating is favorite. I love the smell of this one. If you guys don't have this one, I definitely recommend you go buy it. It smells super good. I'm gonna say second. Yeah, second. Third, this one, Island Margarita. Oh wait, I forgot about this one. Okay, this one's gonna get 4th, even though I said it was my top 3. And then this one would probably be last, just because I don't really smell kiwi or anything like that. So that is it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!